Hello again everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about this platform called VeeFly.com. If you don't know what this is, well, it's a platform where you can purchase YouTube views. And technically you don't purchase directly views to your channel or videos, but you purchase video promotions. So what VeeFly does is using AdWords, they promote your video until you get the number of views that you purchase. Okay, so this will make sense when I show you how you can create a campaign here and purchase views. But before we get into that, now this is my first time using VeeFly for my YouTube channel. I've had an account for some time now, but I never used it. I've seen a couple of videos online, people promoting it, but I won't say it's worth it until I test it myself, right? As I did on my previous videos with other sites, also another site alike called QQTube. If you already follow me on my channel, you might have seen that video. If not, then click this link on the bottom right here to jump to that video where I show you whether QQTube is worth it or not with proofs. So that's what I'm gonna do with VeeFly as well. So basically today I'm gonna purchase a package, I'm gonna purchase some views, and I will see how it goes. Probably I'm gonna wait at least 1 week so I can check the YouTube analytics and see what happened with those views, if they were real, if I got paid, and if I will get paid, because it might show in the analytics on the revenue, but afterwards, after 3 weeks, as it happened with QQTube views, it will not show anymore. It will be deducted from the total balance, your total estimated revenue. Okay, however, as I said, VeeFly claims that they provide real view, likes, subscribers, etc. because they promote your video until you get those views. So if that's the case, I think that it might work. Okay, but then again, there are a lot of other factors that comes to play. However, when you sign up for the first time, they claim to give you free views, but actually you have to redeem them. And to redeem those free views, first of all, you have to verify your phone number. They will send you a PIN number, one-time PIN number, that you will enter it here, and then your phone number will be verified. But that's not enough, because as you can read right here, you have to complete your first paid campaign to unlock free views, meaning that you have to purchase a package first and then you can claim these free views. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna purchase some views, a package, the one that I see fit. I'm gonna promote one video of mine, the last one that I uploaded 2 days ago, and if I get these 1,000 views for free, I think that I will, but if I get, since I never tried it, then I'm gonna use them to another video to see if these free views are for real. You know what I mean? But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that like button, I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's just go to promote a video. Here you can go directly promote a video, and eventually you will be asked to pay the price that you chose to. Okay, or you can go directly here, buy packages. Okay, campaigns are whatever campaigns you have. You can have more than one campaign. Obviously you can check out packages right here that you have, which I don't have any because, like I said, this is the first time. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. YouTube channel or video link. So I'm gonna promote a video of mine, the last one that I uploaded 1 day ago. So let me just copy link address, and I always double check, you never know. Okay, yep, this is it. Alright, so let me just paste it here, promote now, and there you go. You will jump to this page. Now this is the link. Okay, these are some additional options that VeeFly apparently offers you in addition of what you're purchasing. And so, for example, if you're looking for views mainly, this is for views mainly, you will get these additional features such as subscribers, likes, comments, website traffic, social fans, or app installs. I'm gonna leave it subscribers, okay? Now, here is when you choose how many views and how much money you willing to spend about your video. But I'm gonna go with the minimum, which is only $10. And there you go, you will get approximately 667 views up to 714. But as you can see here, there are some offers. If you spend, for example, 25, you will get 10% more views. Okay, so you will get this much plus this many here. Alright, but like I said, I'm gonna go with the minimum because this is my first time and basically I'm testing it. Hopefully nothing will happen with my YouTube channel, a strike or something. Hopefully not. Now here is where you can target by country. I'm not gonna do that with this video, but I think I might do it when I get my free views. Okay, so because if you filter by country, the views will be reducted. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it with all the countries, and this is not a music video, so the only other option is to choose a regular video, and you can enter tags, but again here it will reduce the number of views. I'm not gonna do that this time. All right, and if you have a promo code, unfortunately I don't have, you can apply it, maybe you will get a discount, and here you can preview your ad. Now this is how VeeFly says that your video will be promoted, and if you preview, this is how it will look like on YouTube or Google. Okay, it will have this ad here, my YouTube channel, the title, the thumbnail. Okay, and they will promote this video like this until you get this many views that they promise to deliver. Okay, so let's just click on create campaign, and now I will be asked to purchase and pay amount $10, of course, and I'm gonna use PayPal. So let me just quickly pay this amount and I'm get back to you. Stay tuned. Alright guys, now it was very quick, and I already paid. The payment was successful. Now let me just go back to dashboard and see what happens. Alright, so status is pending. Obviously the admin will verify, will validate my video. Probably they have some terms and conditions, I didn't go through of them. And then I don't know how long it takes to be active as a video, but let's just see in the meantime what happens with those free views, because now I already purchased the package, and see if I can get those 1,000 views for free. Alright, nope. Oh, it says complete your first paid campaign. Okay, so I have to wait until my campaign is completed. Okay, so I don't know how long it's gonna take for the campaign to be active, but as soon as it is active, I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Or maybe I'll just wait until the campaign is over, wait, like I mentioned, another week or so, in order to see what happens with these views on my YouTube analytics, and obviously to see how it goes with the free views, free views. So I'm gonna count this video as a tutorial video on how to create campaign using VeeFly. And if you are a YouTuber, obviously with a small channel, because if you have a lot of subscribers, you don't need to purchase any views or any promotion. But however, stay tuned on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss my future video, obviously on VeeFly as well, but on other topics as well. Okay, so this was it for today's video. I think that it was very easy to create a campaign. Just one link, choose the country if you want to, choose an additional features such as subscribers or likes or comments, etc. And then apparently you have to wait until probably admin validates your video. That probably doesn't go against YouTube, since they are promoting it on YouTube and Google. It doesn't go against their terms of service as well, also VeeFly terms of service. Okay, however guys, like I said, stay tuned on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with some news on what happened with these views that I purchased, and also with the free views. Okay, I appreciate you watching this video. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Wish you all the best. Cheers.